whatever page name you're giving, the name should be unique. No other pages should exist with the same name. You just need to create the page, a profile photo, and the banner photo. For that, you have to open this Google Flow. I have to take the prompt and convert it to VO3 prompts. First of all, decide to which country you're targeting. Just come to this followers and public content. Once you're here, you can see there is a country restrictions out there. Hey guys, this is Rakesh. In this video, I'll be discussing about how to start a Facebook page from scratch. If you are a complete new beginner, watch this video till the end, as this will be a complete guide for you. First of all, how to start a page, from scratch, what to upload like videos or reels or photos, what will be the video length, and all the basic settings. So let's get started. If you're new to this channel, please do like and subscribe. So on this profile, I'll be creating a fresh Facebook page. Just you can see there are some 9 dots out there. Click on it. Once you click over there, you can see there's a create page option. Click on the create page option. Now I will just scroll it, zoom out. You can see there's a create page option with page name, category, and bio. Once you're here, you can see a create a page option with a page name, category, and bio. These 3 basic things is very much important for your page in future, because the page name should be unique. Whatever page name you're giving, the name should be unique. No other pages should exist with the same name. If it does, then you will be getting some lesser views or lesser reach. Okay, so always while creating a Facebook page name, give some time, think, and just do some study, do some research. That name should be unique, and that page name should not be existing on Facebook. So just give some time over here to create the page name. So I just need to give some random names just to show you how to do it: page name, category, and bio. For example, I'm creating a page on technology or engineering. For that, I have to give the page name, the category, and the exact bio that can attract the audiences. For that, you have to go to ChatGPT. Just come to ChatGPT and just write, I'm creating a page on Facebook regarding tech and engineering. Suggest me some unique names for the Facebook page that doesn't exist on Facebook. Okay, this much. Just write this and it will just show you some names which is not existing on Facebook, but still make a cross check. So take Vanta. Okay, take Nexus, make Vanta, take Forge Lab. Okay, just I'll be taking any of the random names out there. Take Quanta. Okay, I'll be taking this name. Come over here. Just put the take Quanta name over here. Now the exact category. So Facebook is having a hell lot of categories, right? So I'll be writing over here also. Tell me the exact category. Just ask ChatGPT. It can help you find out the best category for your Facebook page. Also tell me the exact category for this page. It's very simple. Also tell me the exact category for this page. Best category: science, technology, and engineering. Second, technology company, science website, education website, digital creator. So you can see there are a lot of categories reflecting out there. So I'll be taking the science and technology engineering category. So just come back over here, right over here, science and technology. So you can see science and tech, science, technology, and engineering. The page name should be reflecting your exact page criteria, or you can say the category. So I will be selecting science, technology, and engineering. Okay, next I'll be going to ChatGPT again, and I'll be writing over here, give me the page bio. Okay, just write it. Give me the page bio. You can see the exact some educational bio that is short and catchy, educational, modern brand style. I'll be going with this one. Curious about things work. I'll be copying it, paste it inside bio. Now I'm ready to go. Okay, create the page. So once you've done this, you just need to create the page, a profile photo, and the banner photo. Next, I'll be discussing about the country restriction as well. So over here, you can see there are some options. Finishing setting up your page, just click on next out there. You can see add profile picture and add cover photo. It's very simple, the same process. Take Quanta, right? It is take, the name is take Quanta. So I'll be coming to ChatGPT and write, give me a Facebook page profile photo in 1:1 and page name is take Quanta. Okay, so it will be giving you the exact a professional photo for your Facebook page. Same, you have to go with the Facebook banner photo as well. Once the profile page photo got created, then I'll be going with this one, the banner photo as well, because banner photo and profile photo is very much important. It should look professional, right? So here is a professional photo you can see out there. Take Quanta, technology, engineering, and innovation. Once you're here, just now write, give me the same page banner photo on this. So it will give you the exact banner photo on this Facebook page. So right now I'll be coming over here. I'll just add the profile photo out there. Okay, and the cover photo. So here is a professional cover photo for my page. I will be clicking on it, just download it. Okay, once it got downloaded, then come over here, add cover photo, select it. Okay, save it. Now it's getting saved. Next, Now my page has been ready to start my work. Okay, so just hold on, skip this one, next, turn this off, done. So I have completed 50% of the page setup right now. Next step, I have to focus on the audience and the content category I will be working on. For example, if you are creating a USA page, for that you have to give the exact USA address, so that if any of the viewers from US they are watching your page, they can get some satisfaction that no, I am watching a page from US. For that you have to give a US address. Why to get that? Just come to ChatGPT. Okay, one more time. Once you are here, just write give me a realistic USA location. Okay, sorry, location for Facebook page. Okay, just write give me a realistic USA location for Facebook page. It will give you the exact address, the pin code and all those stuffs, the roads. Over here, San Jose, Boston, Dallas, Texas. Okay, I'll be taking this one. Just come to your Facebook page, go to the edit option, come over here, personal details, current city or location, just write Dallas. Okay, just save it. It's done. You can also, there's option called hometown. You can also just click on this no option, click on the hometown, also give it out there, Dallas in Texas. So right now, if any viewers are watching this page from US, they can expect that, yeah, this page is from Texas. Next is very important. First of all, you just decide what content you're making and what is the exact target audience you should be having. For example, if you're making any content on English, and if you're trying to target those audience from tier 1 nations like UK, US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, or any some countries like those are giving the maximum payout or RPM on Facebook, you have to select that. For that, you have to go to the settings option. First of all, decide to which country you're targeting. Okay, just come to this followers and public content. Once you're here, you can see there is a country restrictions out there. Just click on this edit. Once you're here, you can see there are some two options. The first option is show only to certain countries, and the second option is hide from certain countries. So guys, basically there are some tier 1 nations with the highest payment, some tier 2 nations with the mid section payments, and the lower section countries like African audiences. So first of all, you just need to get the list of the RPM according to your content and target audiences. Okay, just come to ChatGPT. Once you are here, just write give me the country names according to, according to RPM on Facebook content list. Okay, from high to low. First of all, you can block some countries. Second option, you can also show to some countries. You can see their Facebook RPM countries from high to low. United States is on the top. Just scroll down, you can see there are some hell lot of countries. But if you are targeting the tier 1 nations and you don't want to get some lower RPM nations, just select these names like US, Australia, Canada, UK. Just copy these names. Just come over here, just write United States. Okay, United Kingdom. Okay, Australia, like this. I'm just writing out over here because I'm just showing it to you. Just take your time and just select this show only to certain countries. And the opposite section, if you want to hide your content from low RPM nations, what you have to do, the low RPM nations is this: India, Philippines, South Africa, and Nigeria. You have to come over here. Then you have to just select this option to hide from certain countries, and you have to write like Africa, like South Africa over here. Okay, South Africa, then India, these countries with the lowest RPM. So first of all, as I told, decide and think yourself to exactly which country you're targeting, the exact audiences you need. So I have done with my basic settings. So right now I'll be guiding you how to start your work on Facebook. Basically, we can monetize our Facebook page with videos as well as photos. But guys, listen to me. Just don't upload photos for the first 3-4 months. Go with the videos. And the video length should be 2 to 3 minutes. Why? Because if you make some videos with length around 15 seconds, 10 seconds, those videos can get a lot of views, a lot of followers, but those followers will follow you, will not watch your longer videos. Just remember, Facebook, YouTube, these social platforms pay the longer videos a hell lot of money, because the longer videos will get some more ads as compared to a 15-second video. So while you are starting your page, don't do these mistakes. You have to create video with around 2 minutes, 3 minutes longer duration. Those videos will give you some audiences who will watch your next longer videos. You have to make videos minimum 1.5 to 2 minutes. Maximum you can take up to 7 to 8 minutes. So I'll be showing you how to create these videos very easily. It's very easy, guys, believe me. For that, you have to open this Google Flow. I have to take the prompt and convert it to VO3 prompts. What is VO3 prompts? I'll be giving you everything. Okay, so I have already made a video on this in Hindi languages, but still I'm just showing it to you one more time. So once you are here inside my Telegram prompts section, you can see there is a prompt number 4 written Google VEO3 prompts, Google VO prompt. Okay, for that you have to copy this one. Okay, just copy this one, copy, select. Now I have copied it. Come to ChatGPT and paste it over here. Now just don't press enter. You have to come to this list, and I have also make a list of content category and topics on this science and technology. You can make numerous amount of content from ChatGPT, and you can see 10 science and tech. I have written give me 10 seconds prompt to make videos on science and technology. So I have get around 10 points. So first of all, I will be copying this one, how Wi-Fi works. So I'll be copying this one. Okay, I have already opened a new ChatGPT, and I have copied this text. What I have to do right now, it's very simple. Just come over here. After this prompt, in the first line, just paste this one, press enter. And now this ChatGPT will be giving you the exact Google Flow prompt out there. What you have to do, you can see there's scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. There are many scenes. It can give you up to around 50-60 seconds how much amount of time you can take, because I have written out there that divide into 8 sections scenes. So according to this prompt, I can get around 3 to 8 second scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, like this. Right now what I have to do, scene 1, I have to copy this one. Okay, just copy it. It's very simple. Come to Google Flow, new project. Okay, now once you are here, now you have to paste it over here. Just a second, you have to select this one, 16:9 if you want, or 4:3. Okay, I'm going with 16:9. Just save, and I will be pasting this prompt over here. It can give you the exact science and technology, some video section like scene 1, scene 2, like that. Okay, just give some time over here, around 2 to 3 minutes. It will just think, and it will create your video for you. Over here you can see there's 10-second video for scene 1 using the Omni Flash model. Just click on this approve. Okay, once you approve it, it will start creating this video. So I have created this video, you can see out there. I will just play it. Okay, here is the video.
Your phone connects to Wi-Fi by communicating wirelessly with a nearby router.
So here it is. So this is the exact way you just need to make these videos. It's very easy, guys. Okay, the same thing you have to just repeat. Just download it. One more thing, just a second. Okay, come over here. You can see there's a download option. Just download it. The same we have to follow. Just come over here. Now scene 2, scene 3, like that. Just go on. Okay, make this video in the section, then just open your video editor, join this video. That's it. It's very simple process, and just make sure to upload 2 to 3 videos, 2 to 3 reels in a day, and around 5 to 6 photos within 2-3 days. So I'll be sharing you all those steps in detail on my next video. Till then, this much. If you're having any doubt, please do comment, and make sure to post daily basis. Don't give much gaps, and also avoid bulk upload, and also never do cross posting. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe this channel. Bye bye guys, take care.